I got the charger in for exhaust leaks, and pretty much we just had it running, and it's pretty much leaking out of almost every hanger, out of every clamp going all the way back. So all of this is going to get welded up nice and clean and neat. It is a pipe system, but it's just kind of piecemeal together, and every clamp invites an exhaust leak. So this will all get welded together. I'm down here at Exhaust Pros off Colfax in Denver. By far the best shop around. If you guys need anything done to your classic, I would highly recommend coming back here to these guys and have them fix it up. So as you can see, they did a really good job of welding these up. The pipes system kit comes with little slits in the pipe to fit the other pipes in, so they had to weld those up as well. You can see them all over the place here. But they welded the pipe to the collector and tightened everything up, and it looks really good. It definitely sounds a lot more quiet in the cabin, and everything's going out the back pipe like it should. So just want to give you an update.